Wltoys A979B, which I have purchased from AliExpress. So I will start with showing you the items come with it. Along with it, it came with this charger, USB charger with 7.4 volt to the input DC 5 volt, 0.5 ampere, 2.5 ampere. So this is the charger it came with, and there is a lithium polymer battery which marked as 1500 milliamp hours, which will run it around for 6 or 7 minutes on low speeds or high speeds. So comes the transmitter. This is the transmitter it came with, and it has proportional steering, so it's a hobby grade remote and system. It uses four AA batteries, and its range is around 100 meters. And it comes with a hex nut to open its wheels. So this come along with it. Let's get to the car itself. We have to undo these clips. See what is the quality of this body, plastic carbonate body, is very good. This is very flexible, so when we crash it, it will not damage the car. Here is its ESC. There is no rating on its ESC, and but it does 70 kilometers an hour as per manufacturer. And it comes with a 5-wire servo, as you can see there. It comes with a 5-wire servo, and it comes with a 540 motor. The motor is really very big, so there is a 540 motor in it. And also I have opened it and I checked about its differentials and other things. So there are in wheel hubs, there are steel dog bones and steel drive shafts, right? And in the rear too. And I also opened its differential, which is also of metal. Only thing that is in plastic is its pinion gear. This pinion gear, bigger one, is plastic, and here is a brass gear in this motor. And I am using it since 15 days. It is running very perfectly, and let's see how long it goes. I will post some drive videos after this introduction. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos. I will be updating it with brushless system, and also with foam tires for speed runs, high speed runs. Well guys, thanks for watching.